In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to noindex tag pages in Rank Math. If your site uses a lot of tag archives, they can create thin or duplicate content that doesn't add much value in search results. Telling search engines not to index these tag pages helps keep your index lean and focused on your most important content, like posts and category pages. We'll use Rank Math's built-in settings to do this safely and cleanly. First, from your WordPress dashboard, head to Rank Math SEO, then choose Titles and Meta. This is the control center for how your archives, posts, and other content types appear to search engines. You'll find it in the left sidebar of your admin area, and it may be grouped with other Rank Math settings you're already using. Next, open the Tags tab. This tab specifically controls the tag archive pages, which are the automatically generated lists of posts that share the same tag. If you don't want those archives to rank or appear in search, this is where we adjust that behavior. Now, look for the Tag Archives Robots meta setting and switch it on. Turning this on activates a set of meta robots options for tag archives. Think of it as telling search engines how to treat these pages when they crawl them. Once it's enabled, a drop-down will appear. Choose No Index for tag archives. Selecting No Index tells search engines that these pages shouldn't be included in their index, while still allowing them to be crawled for discovery. This does not delete your tag pages, and it doesn't break internal links. It simply prevents those tag archives from showing up in search results. It's different from nofollow, which controls link equity flow. For most sites, noindex is the right choice here. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom. That's it. The instruction is now in place. Over time, search engines will recrawl your site and remove tag archives from their index. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you use caching, either a plugin or a CDN, clear the cache so the updated meta tags are served right away. To confirm the change, open any tag archive page on your site, view the page source, and look for a meta robots tag showing no index. You can also check a tag URL in your Search Console's URL inspection tool to see how Google interprets it. And remember, this setting affects tag archives only, not your actual posts or categories, so your main content remains fully indexable.